Hello everybody, Moses the trainer here for another episode. Today's workout is all about the TRX. So briefly, we're gonna have 10 moves. Each move is gonna be done for 1 minute, and after that, we're done. So grab your TRX and get ready because it's about to get hot. So holding on to your TRX, I'm gonna place the TRX at a medium height, medium length right here. And the first exercise is going to be a squat to press. What you're gonna do is feet shoulder width apart, do a squat, and then raise your arms up. Starting in 3, 2, 1, 1 minute, follow me along. On this exercise, you don't have to go that low, just go as low as you need to go. And when you stand up, press your hands towards the ceiling. Inhale on the way down, exhale when your arms go up. And stop. So that's 1 minute, squat to press. And the next exercise that we're gonna do is rows. For the rows, you wanna hold on to your handles, bring your feet forward, and your body is gonna be straight line from head to toe. If my hips are here or too low, or if my hips are too forward, it would look like that. So make yourself a straight line, and let's go ahead and do 1 minute. Boy, I'm feeling that. Feeling it on my back, on my rear shoulders, 10 seconds. Keep pushing. It's only 10 minutes. 2, and 1. Excellent work. Are you still with me? All right, so the next exercise is gonna be our push-ups. For the push-ups, what I like to do is I like to bring my straps all the way down, full length. Walk my feet back until I have enough space, and then bring your chest down and push. Let's go ahead and do 1 minute. Notice my feet. I'm on my tiptoes. My foot is not flat, and when I go down, I don't go all the way down until I can't go anymore. When I go down, I go halfway, which in reality is full range of motion. Halfway is full range. How about that? And 1 minute. All right, the heart is going. Now for the next one, we're gonna do our biceps. So on the biceps, I'm going to adjust my length to medium length. Remember, you have the marks. So I'm almost at the mark, a couple of inches before it touches the mark. Feet forward. Remember the body from head to toe, one straight line. And from here, I'm gonna bring my hands to my forehead. Squeezing the bicep, 1 minute. Here. Ten seconds. All right. Take a little break if you have to. And finish 2 more. 1 and 2. Oh boy. That one got me. Did it get you? All right. Now for the next exercise, which is going to be the triceps, I'm going to lengthen my TRX full length. And I'm going to assume the same position as in the push-up. Right here, my feet, I'm on my tiptoes, leaning forward, arms are straight. This time I'm gonna raise them up a little bit. So they're at my eye level, and we're gonna do this for 1 minute. Bend the elbows, straighten the elbows. That is the whole exercise. Three, 2, and 1. All right, my peoples. Now, bring that length back up. In other words, shorten the length. And this exercise is called squat to row. So now we're combining legs and back, and it looks like this. My feet are gonna be forward slightly, and I'm gonna start the movement with my elbows straight. So 1 minute. Here's how it looks. Go down, come up, and pull yourself. You can go as low as you feel comfortable. Some people can go all the way down to the floor. How's that back feeling? How's that leg feeling? Are you with me? All right, for our next exercise, we're gonna do rollouts. So on the rollouts, I'm going to lengthen the straps all the way down, stay on the tip, stand on the tip of your toes. This time you're gonna keep your elbows locked. So none of this movement. Once they're locked right in front of you, you're going to roll forward and then roll back. And that's it, roll forward. What are we working with this? We're working our core, our stomach muscles. We're also working a little muscles in the back, and also some of the big muscles in the back. So it's a compound movement where you're using more than one joint. Every time you do that, you're burning more calories. You're getting more for your effort. And this is all about maximizing effort when you're only doing 10 minutes at a time. But believe me, those 10 minutes are well worth it. Are you staying on your toes? Check. Are your knees straight? Check. Are your elbows straight when you go down? Check. 3, 2, and 1. Whew. Now I think I have an 8-pack. Wow. Awesome. All right, for the next exercise, we're gonna do alternating side lunges. Now, what I love about the TRX is that you can move according to the space that you have. So in this case, I'm going to shorten my straps a little bit. And I'm going to take a step to the side and step to the other side. We're gonna be alternating. Are you ready? And go. So when you take that step, just start with a short step. You don't have to go that low. Perhaps you just take a step to the side and come back. The cool thing about the TRX is that if you go low, you're not gonna be stuck. You know why? Because you have the straps and you can pull with your upper body. So it allows you to gauge how low can you go on this exercise. Three, 2, and 1. All right, so we just worked our adductors, abductors, inside, outside leg. So for our next one, we got the reverse flies. So on this one, you're gonna grab both handles on your TRX. You're going to be leaning back. So bring your feet forward a little bit, slightly, and then you're going to open your arms out to the sides. Careful on the return, control, and open your arms. Let's do that for 1 minute like that. Remember, if I go forward with my feet, I make it harder. If I bring my feet back, I make it easier. Feel it all over. All right, so far so good. And the last exercise, we're going to do a forward lunge. So for the forward lunge, you're going to grab your TRX. You're going to take one step forward and you're going to open your arms to the side. That's how it looks like. Let's go ahead and do 1 minute with your feet. You're going to be alternating. The cool thing about this exercise again is that you're not going to be stuck if you go down, because you can help yourself a little bit with your upper body. So here we are. A lot of people like to touch the floor because they don't know any better, but don't touch your knee on the floor. Stay off the floor like this. Take a nice big step. Watch my back foot. Tip toe, right? Again, as I go forward, watch my back foot. Tip toe. Very important. On this one, I like to exhale when I push back to my starting position. 10 seconds. We can do this. 2 and 1. That was number 10 and our last exercise. Good job. All right, everybody, that was an amazing workout. If you went through the whole thing, congratulations. And you did something today that's going to help you out later on. So stay tuned, like and subscribe to our channels. It's because of you that we get to make these videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Adios, muchachos.